Hey, welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to talk about fixed width icons. Font Awesome provides a class called fa-fw. When this class is assigned to an icon, it assigns a width to the element and it centers the icon. This is really helpful when you're using the icons and they appear one above another. At this point, you're probably wondering, okay, well, that's great. It makes it a fixed width and it centers the icon. Well, it's easiest to understand the benefits of this class when you see it demonstrated. So let's do that. Here's our page with the fixed width icons. Let's look at the code. Here's our icons underneath the list group div. The icons are embedded within A elements, which are links. And here are the icons within a I element. Now you have your fa class, fa home, and then you have fa-fw. Fa-fw is on each of these icons. Let me visually demonstrate what this class does. Here we are, back on our web page, but this time I have Chrome's developer tools open. I've highlighted over the information icon. Look at the properties the fa-fw provides this icon. There's a width and a text align. Now let's highlight the icon again. Look at the blue highlighting around the icon. There's padding on the sides. Let's remove the width and see what happens. Okay, the icons went to the left. Let's highlight the element again. As you can see, removing the width actually removed the padding from the sides and it pulled it to the left. Let's put the width back on and highlight it. And there's our padding. Now let's remove the text align center. Same result. It goes to the left, but this time you can see that the element is taking up the full width, but text align center actually centers the icons. I'll click here and boom, there we go. So as you can see, fa-fw actually assigns a width to the element and then it centers that icon within that element. Let's look at the user's icon. This user's icon is taking up nearly all the space available to it. But now you see the point of the fa-fw class. It ensures that icons that are smaller than one another are centered so they don't look goofy. If we scroll up in our CSS, you'll notice that the font size property is still available to us. All the fa-fw class does for us is assigns a width to the element and then it centers the icons. We can still make the icons larger or smaller. In summary, the fixed width class assigns a width to the icon element and it centers the icon within the available width. It does not change the size of the icon. That's up to you by specifying the value of the font size property. See you in the next lecture.